All right, family, what is going on? Unfortunately, I was not able to make the drive from Antelope Valley to Bakersfield, California for the court date today for our boys. But I do got some good news. Now, the reason why I couldn't make that ride out there was because we're down to one vehicle and the other one is a motorcycle. I had a group of guys that were going to ride out there with me, but the weather conditions stopped that from happening. The good news is Matt and Apple with AV News Crew, they were able to go into the courtroom and actually record. Now, the reason why they were given permission to go into that courtroom and record is because they have a business and they were able to, use their press credentials to do so. The judge is not going to allow it to be live. So you guys just got to sit back and relax and then wait until the videos are uploaded. Now, you guys know I would love, out of everything in this world, to be able to go into that courtroom, sit there and document, and then share it with all of you guys. But I don't think that's going to happen because there are powers to be, people to be, that actually don't want me there, guys. Even though we did all the work. I mean, we did a lot of work. I don't think it's going to happen, man. But maybe, hopefully, one day that will change. More than anything in this world, I would love to be there. But let's go ahead and get
Hello, everybody. We are over here at the Superior Court, County of Kern County in Bakersfield in regards to Jacqueline and Trezel West for the homicide of Classic and Sincere, the missing Cal City toddlers. This is January 30th, 2023.
February. Ms. Torres-Stallings and Ms. Rodriguez, I understand that you are not ready, but you will be ready by March 1st. Is that accurate?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And that's based on the fact that there's still some discovery to receive and prepare, and both of you engaged in other matters. Is that accurate?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And Mr. Hennessy and Mr. Nasser, same situation on behalf of your client?
Yes, sir. That's correct.
People ready other than being engaged in trial?
Yes, sir.
So we're going to set a couple dates. The attorneys and I spoke about coming back for a status on February 16th. So February 16th at 8:30 back here in Department 4 for status, just to make sure that everything's progressing appropriately. And then motions will be filed by all attorneys by February 27th. And as we discussed off the record, you can email them. That's fine. You have Lissandra's email and my email. Make sure you include each other on it. Lissandra's going to prepare a group email just so that we don't have to keep inputting everybody's email address when we communicate in appropriate communication. And then we'll be back March 1st at 9 a.m. for trial. So we are all anticipating that on March 1st, all of that day and maybe other days at the beginning would be spent on motions, and then we would not actually start jury selection if the matter remains here until probably the next week. March 1st is a Wednesday. So March 1st, 9 o'clock, I'll order everybody back. February 16th, I'll order everybody back. March 1st is at 9 a.m. February 16th is at 8:30. On February 16th, if you've already filed a media request, you do not need to file another one. I'll address it on February 16th. Mr. Smith, was there anything further that you would like to place on the record at this time?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Hennessy, Mr. Nasser?
No, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Welcome. Ms. Torres-Stallings, Ms. Rodriguez?
Hang on. Thank you.
Okay, so everybody back then on February 16 at 8:30 for status. Motions will be emailed by the 27th. Again, if they're voluminous, you just drop them off. And then March 1st, 9 a.m. for trial and finding good cause to trail to March 1st based on counsel not being ready and discovery and the nature of the discovery of this case. Anything further? No? Okay. See you then. Thank you very much.
Have the cameras come out.
So it seems like Trezel and Jacqueline's counsel is still not ready. And it seems like there is a new discovery that just came up again. So I made a mistake earlier. It's not March the 16th. It's February 16th. You guys got my word. I'm going to do everything I can to try to get into that courtroom as a member of the press and record and document everything. All of you guys deserve to know and see what's going on with this case. I also found out that Trezel actually has a black eye. So somebody did something to him. I can't see him making his own eye black, but someone has punched him dead in his eye. With that said, yeah, see you guys soon. Maybe you guys can, ask certain people to give me a press pass. I mean, I've had it before. Wouldn't it hurt to have it again? All right, guys. Much love and respect. Appreciate you guys. And Matt and Apple, thank you guys for going out there and getting this footage.